Good morning, students. Let us start with question number 4. For each of the following numbers, find the smallest natural number by which it should be divided so that this quotient is a perfect square. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. It is the same which you have done in question number 3. It was multiplied. The number which was unpaired has to be multiplied with the same number. Similarly, the number which you will obtain as unpaired, you have to divide by that number. So let us do the first question, 1872. Again, we will take out the prime factors of this number. So let us do it. 1872, we will take the prime factorization. 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, and 13 1s are 13. So the prime factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 13. So what do you find when you pair it? You are getting a pair of 2, this 2, 3, and what is left unpaired? That is 13. So here 13 is left unpaired. So what we will do? The first question is by which number it should be divided. So if you divide this whole number by 13, this 13 will be removed. So you will get all pair of factors, isn't it? So what we will do? We will divide by 13. Now when you will divide by 13, here we will divide on both the sides. So we will divide this 1872 by 13 and this whole number by 13. So what you will get when you divide 1872 by 13, it is becoming 144. Again, when you divide this side also by 13, you are left with 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now 13 is being divided. So now this 144 is equal to this one. Now again we are pairing it. So we are getting a perfect product of pairs of equal prime factors. So 144 is a perfect square. Then the next question is, it is a perfect square of what number? So it is a perfect, when you put the square root, you will get it as, you will take out, now again you will take out what? 1 number from each pairs. So I am taking 2 from here, 1 2 from here, and 1 3 from here. So you are getting it as 12. So the square root of the quotient is 144 is 12. Okay, so this is the answer. Children, I had asked you to learn all the squares of numbers from 1 to 30. This is very important because it will help you in the solving all these questions. Similarly, I have done the second question also for you. I'll be sending the PDF. It's the same. You will take out the prime factorization. Here 3 is left unpaired, so you will divide by 3. Okay, when you will divide by 3, you will get the perfect square of what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, that is 56. Okay, I'll be doing this and I'll be sending you. Now let us start with question number 5. Now question number 5 is, find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the following numbers. We have to find the smallest square number, not number. We have to find the smallest square number. Now there are 3 questions. I am doing the second one for you. First and third you will do on your own. So the given numbers are 6, 9, 27 and 36. So what we will do, we will take out the LCM. I hope you all know how to find out the LCM of the numbers. So we will first find out the LCM of these 4 numbers. First, we always start with the smallest prime number, which that is 2. Then I have taken 3. When you will see 2 3s are 6, 9 9, 2 18s are 36. Again 2 3 9, 2 9s are 18. Then I have taken 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1 1s are 3 3s are 1. Then you are getting as 3. So LCM you are getting as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is 108. It is the smallest number by which all these numbers are divisible. Okay, so 108 is the smallest number by which 6, 9, 27 and 36 are divisible. Now what is the prime factorization of 108? We have just found out, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 and 3. Now what we will do, we will do the pairing. as we have done in earlier questions also. Now what is left unpaired? That is 3. So it is not a perfect square. So to make it a perfect square, what we will do? We will multiply this number, both the numbers 108 also and this number also, by 3. So we will multiply 108 by 3. We will get 324. 3 8s are 20. 108 into 3 is 324. So the smallest square number by which all these 4 numbers will be divisible is 324.